Hey, good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining us again. It's Rob, owner of Arizona Collision Center. I'm coming back to you guys today with a little video, and I just want to explain a couple different things as well. And I'm always trying to educate our consumers out there and the general public. The things I want to talk about today is the differences of choosing a collision center. If you're involved in an accident, you have all these different opinions and things thrown at you, right? You've got your insurance company telling you, you got to take it over to our direct repair facility. We'll have a rental car there for you. They make it sound all perfect, right? Then you have your friends or family members that are experts telling you everything that you should do on their end that maybe they had an experience with. And none of it's bad, none of it's wrong, but there's just some things that you need to know that sets apart an independent repair facility such as ourselves, or one that's contracted with your insurance company. When we say independent facilities, that doesn't mean anything other than we have zero contracts with insurance carriers, meaning when we want to do the repairs, we want to do what's right for you, our customer, not that of a contract that's set in place by the insurance company, which a lot of people don't understand how these things really work, and that's why I want to explain it to you in further detail here. The other aspect that you have with repair facilities is the ones that are direct repair facilities, are known as a DRP contract. Those are usually the ones that your insurance companies are going to try to force you to go to because it's in their financial vested interest to do so. An independent repair facility does not care what the insurance company has to say about the course of the repairs on the vehicle. We want to make sure that we're doing what's right for the vehicle, and it's up to us to fight to do the right thing for your vehicle. We're not going to cut corners on what the manufacturers say have to be done. We're not going to use cheaper products or materials on a vehicle, even though a lot of times they try to suppress that rate that they pay for us. So we're going to do whatever we can to make sure to do what's right for you and your vehicle and get you back on the road properly. If you choose to take your vehicle to a direct repair facility, there's things that you need to know there. Not only does it help the insurance company by saving money because there's discounted labor rates involved, and the way that they look at it is, hey, XYZ Collision Center, if I send you $500,000 worth of work next year, I would like a discount on the repairs, meaning alternative parts usage, material caps, which has forced a lot of facilities to use cheaper products out there on their vehicles, and also labor rate increases. So they may not have the best technicians out there also working on some of these vehicles. They also put a lot of stress on how fast can you get that vehicle repaired. And we all know you can't always do the right job when you're talking about speed. So they want to do it because they want to minimize rental expenses. So be very careful when you choose a facility. Understand you've got two options: an independent shop that's going to go to work for you, or one that has a contract signed with the insurance company that has the insurance carrier best interest in mind. Just wanted to let you guys know that. Thanks for joining us today.